Okay guys, so I'm back for part two of my PO box unboxing, and my husband's actually watching TV now, so you might hear him in the other room. Okay, but anyway, look at this. What is this from Morphe? So, oh my gosh, it's poster. It is from Morphe, Matte Essential Looks. So I guess these are new palettes that they came out with. Hopefully, I guess they're all matte colors, matte shades, which I love. I love matte shades, especially because I have super hooded eyes. So here is just four different palettes. Or is there more? Oh, there's a big one. There's a big one, and then there's the littler, two larger size ones, and then two smaller size. So I cannot wait. Do you guys see these colors? I'm trying not to fall over you guys because my dogs are running around like crazy. Okay, so here is some pastels, and here is some warm tone shades and some cool tone shades. Everyday kind of shades in that one. So I'll be back again and we will make a look with these. I can't wait. And then I got this, you guys. This is from, it's called Skin Proud. So I've never heard of this company. Have you guys heard of it? So again, with the beautiful pink packaging. I love pink packaging. So my favorite. And here is the Detox Tonic. Have you guys tried this yet? Daily Exfoliating Tonic. And then here is a Sleep Hero Overnight Sleeping Mask. Can't wait to, oh, there's more. These are sponges. They're like cleansing pads. Oh, makeup remover pad. Wow, I can't wait to use that. And then here is Icicle Cooling Eye Serum Stick. Can't wait to try that. So I think that's pretty much it. So thank you so much, the Skin Pad, for sending this to me. Is this at Walmart? For some reason I thought I saw something that they're selling this at Walmart. So anyway, let me see guys what else we got. So oh, look how bright I was before and now it's normal. Okay, what is up with that? All right. So anyway, guys, here is a beautiful package from Milk Makeup, my favorite. And so in here is just the whole 9 yards. The Eclipse Primer, the Bionic Blush, my favorite, the Bionic Bronzer, and another Bionic Blush, and clear brow gel, Kush brow gel, and Kush mascara. I love this. And then what is this, you guys? Infinity long wear eyeliner. So I will be back and we'll try this out together too. So there is some more, guys, but I'll be back tomorrow and we'll unbox some more. So I'll see you guys.